Alright guys, so today we have the truck. Last time I lifted the front, I don't actually have a video of me doing that, but lifted the front with the leveling kit, and now it went from it's sitting on a rake to it's squatting. You can barely tell, but I can tell, and it bothers me, so I need to change that. So I got a leveling kit for the rear, and I'm gonna get it installed today. Alright, for those of you that don't believe me, check it out. So I'm gonna measure from the top of the center cap, just to keep consistent on both sides, up to, let's start with my fender, and I have 22 and 1/16 inches. Go do the same in the front. So I got 22 and 3/4 in the front versus 22 and 1/16, maybe 1/4 in the front. So I have at least ½ an inch higher in the front, and that I can't have that. I can't. So I bought some blocks here. It's supposed to be 2-inch blocks, 2-inch lift kit, but according to the instructions, they want you to stack blocks. That doesn't sound good. No, not at all. Well, decided to do it without jacking it up because it's a truck. It's already high enough, hopefully. Well, that's fantastic. Battery's dead. Battery's dead. That's why you charge your stuff before you start working. Now we get to wait. Well, I have no patience, so breaker bar it is. This isn't the biggest breaker bar either, so hopefully I have some strength left after the gym today. I also hope to use power tools, because that is nice when you have power tools. Oh, power tools, how I miss you. Oh, power tools. So there we go, we got the U-bolts off, and the little U-bolts go up there, the little bottom part of the axle that kind of secures everything. You can see on the other side, right there, that's what I'm talking about. You see the 2 bolts there, that's the bottom of the U-bolts, and that's the little securing device, I guess. Whatever you want to call it. But next, we got to take that little block out right there. So, take the jack, and oops, lower the jack. Bring the jack. So the plan is to bring the jack up right in front of it, right there, and just jack it up and get the leaf springs up away and just slide that out and slide the new one in. Alright, got it jacked up high enough to just reach in here, get this block out. There it is. So here is the factory one, and here is the one I bought. Factory, the one I bought. So clearly you could tell it's only maybe an inch taller, but what they want you to do is stack them, which definitely not a good idea, so I'm not gonna do that. So I'm not getting the full 2 inches of lift. That's for sure not happening. So this block is roughly 1 inch and 3/16. This one is exactly, well, 1 inch and 15/16. So it's like 12/16, or what is that? 1/4. I mean 3/4 of an inch. So I will, if I could get 3/4 of an inch, putting this one on, meaning that with 3/4 of an inch higher in the rear, my rear will be about 1/4 of an inch taller than my front. So that's from the tip to there. That is like nothing. But what it'll do is make it pretty much even, and I won't have that squatting going on. So after much talk and debate and research, I decided to do some stacking. I decided to stack the blocks. They want you to stack blocks. That doesn't sound good. No, not at all. To get the extra lift. So there's more room for tires. Look at all this room. So much room. Get some big, meaty 35s in here. Yes. All right. So, let's find out what the change is. We are at 24 1/4. Oh, it's going wild. So yeah, 2 inches.